Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Begin by locating the student record and go to the Future IEP. You must attach all assessments and supporting documentation under the Attachments tab. Next, go to CalPAD Student page. Scroll down and find Education Plan Type. Change it to 900 initials only, not eligible for special education. Make sure to save your changes. Then the provider will need to submit a student change form to request that the eligibility be changed to DNQ, does not qualify. The district level user will update the student eligibility. Remember, since the student did not qualify, you will not affirm the initial IEP.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.